Hi guys, welcome back to Decorating Happily Ever After. I'm Jeffrey Kevin. Well, guess what? Today is Mother's birthday, and every lady likes a little leopard print. So I thought I would set a leopard print tablescape for her birthday. I'm using leopard print dishes, lots of golden candles, and a color scheme of black, brown, and gold. Be sure and stay tuned. The birthday girl may make an appearance. Let's look around the table. For today's tablescape, I'm using a black tablecloth that I've layered over a leopard print scarf. I'm also going to use my black chargers. I picked these up at Hobby Lobby. For the dishes, I'm using Trenching leopard print. I found these at a thrift store. And I also have the leopard print salad plates that goes with the set. I thought I would use my gold flatware today to give it a little extra bling. For the stemware, I'm going to use my black glasses. And I also have some new amber glasses. I found these on eBay. I thought they looked good with the leopard print. And I have these vintage, I guess they're vintage barware, probably from about the 1960s. They're gold cane, or they look like caning. I think they're so pretty, and I thought they blended pretty as well. I had these sweet little demi-tasse cups, little cappuccino cups, and they're black and gold. Mother found these at a thrift store. And for the napkins, I'm going to be using black with my gold fern napkin rings. I got the napkin rings at Hobby Lobby a couple years ago. For my centerpiece today, I'm keeping it simple. I've just used an art glass vase. It sort of makes me think of leopard print, the pattern, but really it isn't. And I've taken some bundles of pheasant feathers and used that for my centerpiece. Also, I've strewn around the center of the table gold votives. I got these lots of different places. I think several of this type came from Marshall's. And then I got a set of 6, I believe, of these, and they sort of make me think of hobnail, although they're not. I found those at a thrift store, as well as these cute little leopard print votives. And then I think too, I've got some kind of a honeycomb pattern that I found too. I think those came from Marshall's. But I've just used those down the center of the table with ivory candles. And here at this end, I've got a cute little leopard print teapot. Actually, I think it may be cheetah print, but oh well, what's the difference? It's an animal print. Let's see. I believe I found that at a thrift store. I think that's so cute with a little gold lid. And guys, in our household, Mother is known as Mama Joyce. When the grandkids came along, she has 2 grandsons and a granddaughter. They call her Mama Joyce. But when the youngest was little, he called her Mama Joycey. So that stuck with me, and I still call her Mama Joycey. And as you can see, I put Mother's gifts on the table. I've wrapped them in leopard print with some brown ribbons. And I found that wrapping paper at Hobby Lobby. They've got some cute papers. Now here at this corner, I've used my black Mosher cake stand, and I've just tiered on top of it. This is really not a cake stand. It's for a candle, but I thought this little tower would be great for my cupcakes, and I've just tiered this golden one on top. It's a mercury glass. I found it at the Dollar General store last Christmas on markdown. I have it, and then I also got one that's a size down. So I'm always keeping my eyes out for little bargains and unique things, but I thought that was pretty. I think I also got some mercury glass Christmas trees. They'll probably make an appearance later in the season. And here we've got more gifts with more leopard print. And I know probably a lot of you guys were tuning in thinking about fall. Probably I would be doing a table for fall, and although this is sort of fall colors, not a fall theme. So just hang on, I'll be doing some fall videos next. And actually guys, I debated, you could have easily taken this to fall. I have some ivory pumpkins, I have some brown pumpkins, and I also have individual black pumpkin soup bowls. And I did think about using those. They would have been great with a leopard print too, if you kind of wanted to do a wild fall tablescape. But I decided to keep this one strictly for Mama Joyce's birthday. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a comment below and give this video a thumbs up. Be sure and subscribe to my channel, Decorating Happily Ever After, and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a video. I'm Jeffrey Kevin, and this is Mama Joyce. Bye-bye now.